Hello and welcome back. In this lesson we are going to explore collaboration and reviewing tools in Word, which are incredibly valuable when working on documents with others. Whether you are collaborating with colleagues on a report or seeking feedback from peers on a project proposal, Word's collaboration features will streamline your workflow and ensure that everyone is on the same page. One of the most powerful collaboration features in Word is Track Changes. Track Changes allows multiple users to make edits to a document while keeping a record of who made each change and when. This makes it easy to review and accept or reject changes made by others, ensuring that your document remains accurate and consistent. To turn on Track Changes, click on the Review tab on the ribbon. Let me insert some text at first. I will select this one. So I have inserted some text, and to turn on Track Changes, click on the Review tab on the ribbon, then click the Track Changes button in the Tracking group. Once Track Changes is enabled, any edits you make to the document will be tracked and displayed in different colors. For example, I want to add some text. You can see that the color is red, depending on who made the change. So if I'm making the changes, that my color is going to be the red one. If I share this document with someone, then the color will be, for example, the blue one. With the third person, the green one, and so on. You can also add comments to provide feedback or ask questions about specific changes. This is another useful collaboration tool in Word. Comments allow you to leave notes for yourself or others directly within the document, providing context or explanation for certain sections. To add a comment, simply select the text you want to comment on, then click the New Comment button in the Comments group on the Review tab. New Comment. Type your comment in the comment pane that appears. Then click outside. Let me type here something to correct. Yes. Then click outside the comment pane to close it. For instance, you can also reply to this comment. I have replied something and I have point as resolved problem. Click on Resolve, and all changes that I've done with these words are resolved, and I won't be back to these changes anymore. Real-time co-authoring is another feature that makes collaboration in Word seamless and efficient. With real-time co-authoring, multiple users can work on the same document simultaneously, seeing each other's changes in real time. This allows for a truly collaborative editing experience where everyone can contribute their ideas and input in real time. To start co-authoring a document, save it to a shared location such as OneDrive or SharePoint. For sharing the document, you have to go to File tab and choose here Share. After that, choose Share with People and save it to Cloud. Click on it. Here select a place. This is going to be OneDrive. Let's select OneDrive. After that, you have to sign in to your account and your document will be automatically shared, and you can give the link of this document to your colleagues or the person you work with this document. Perfect. Let's get back. And when multiple users open the document, they will see each other's edits as they happen, with changes highlighted and labeled with the author's name. Now I'm going to delete this comment by right-click on my mouse and select here Delete Comment. By using collaboration and reviewing tools effectively, you can work more efficiently with others, ensuring that your documents are accurate, consistent, and well-reviewed. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to finalize and share your documents, including options for printing, emailing, and saving to the cloud. Whether you are sharing your document with colleagues, clients, or friends, these tips will help you distribute your documents confidently and securely. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.